Lock and Crawl here. Just an update. As you guys, I don't know if you guys have seen my video in regards to removing the AC unit. I did remove this AC unit from this Conqueror UEV440. So what I've done is I have a portable AC unit. It's on my video. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but this video is more in particular in regards to heat. Just because of the amount of power that was pulling from this, I needed to carry my generator. Not only was it bulky and taking up a lot of space in the trailer, so now I have plenty of space to be able to put more storage in there. But obviously, we have AC and we need AC and we need a heater. However, not at the same time, depending on my camping trip. If it's at a time when it's nice and cool and we need some AC, I have the portable unit to carry. And now what I've done is actually picked up a diesel heater. Throughout Cyber Monday, got a great deal on this. I think it was like $70. And the AC unit, if you see my other video, again, it's portable and I just connected to my power station. And I'll show you what I got going on now. So here I have my Blue Eddy, and this is how I power the diesel heater. And I kept the vents. I did not take the vents out, the existing vents. You can't see, it's a little dark here, but I'm already feeling the heat coming out of the vents. They're in here on the sides. And I kept those vents in place. I didn't disconnect anything from that, so I'm reusing that. And again, using the Blue Eddy, you could hear it now running. And there you go. I'm already feeling the heat coming through. It's perfect. Perfect setup for us. So then, come back out here. Here's my little helper. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
All right, come on. Don't slip. Good job. All right, that's my grandbaby. All right, I'm gonna move your stroller out of the way, okay, baby? Thank you. All right, so here, what we got going on, now, instead of carrying the big generator, I could carry this if I want, or depending on my trip, or just fill up the diesel heater. This diesel heater was pretty easy to set up. I actually put some wood 2x4s there just to kind of give it a little extra stance. And then I extended the hose because it wasn't enough to run through. And then came back here, and there is the way it's powered, and I show you how that Blue Eddy is powered up. And what I did is I cut a hole here, put some duct tape around the area, the edges there, that way it doesn't cut anything. Again, I feel the heat already coming through here. And in addition to the duct tape, I also put this protectant here, that way as I'm running through, the hose or the wire doesn't get cut open or anything like that. And it's connected to the vents. This is the existing vents that were already there. This was initially connected to the AC unit. And as I mentioned, the original AC unit, not only did it take up a lot of power, it took up all this space, which now it's open. And there's no need for me to carry the diesel heater unless I'm camping in the winter. So there's no reason to have all that space and having to use that much power. And this is what I used to haul around, my generator, which I don't need to do anymore. In addition to, extra gas, because this thing, that generator, that unit that I had in here was pulling a lot of power. And the amount of gas, the fuel that was coming out here in order to power that up was not enough. There was one night we were out in Johnson Valley, and we ran out of gas in the middle of the morning, in the middle of the night, and it was freezing. It was like 30 degrees out there. There was no way that I was going to get out of bed in order to fuel it back up in order to turn it on. This thing here, on the other hand, it could run for 24 hours on the low setting with no issues. And the startup is actually, they've done some updates to this, because I know that at the beginning it makes this little ticking sound, but now they've done some updates where it's not that loud. I also wrapped the actual heat hose here, that way it doesn't, in case someone were to touch it or whatever, I mean, obviously you can still feel the heat. and the exhaust, but I have the exhaust pointing out that way, and the air filter here, I have that set up there, so we're good there. Move this stuff out of the way. And again, I could extend it a little bit. Now, I went with that wire, but I could pull it out more. That way the exhaust isn't too close to the trailer. But this is not bad. I mean, it works. And now that I have that opening there, I do actually use a front runner as I'm driving. I use that for storage. And as I'm driving, I just put it on top of that. No issues there. And now I just close my door. Careful with that, okay, honey? It's really hot. And yeah, that produces a lot of heat, so we gotta be careful with that. We don't want the kids being close to them. Go ahead and leave your stroller, honey. Come with me. I can't leave you over there. Come on. So you gotta be careful because that's really hot. Come on. And obviously all this is, I mean, this type of trailer, either heat or cold, you're still gonna feel it. And this material definitely does help. Obviously this closes up and all around the trailer. But once everything is closed in here and those two vents, when it comes to heat, it works out. When I have the AC, again, this is all that what I had. This is the only vent that I had for the AC. And those two vents as well. And again, they're both just pointing to the back. Hi. That wasn't gonna work for me. But yeah, I hope this helps some of you guys, but I just thought I would share. And then when I store it, I'm not gonna be driving with it this way, but when I store it, when it's put away, there you go. I got the storage container, it just sits up there, and there you go. And I actually put the hose in this bag. I happen to have this bag available, so I'm gonna put it in there. And this is where it stores while it sits. And that's it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Again, like I said, I hope this helps some of you. Gives some more options as to what you could do with these trailers. There's a UEV440 Conqueror. Say bye. Bye. You guys take care. Bye.